Umuntu nomuntu uyazazi ukuthi yini ekumele yenze ukuze aphumelele. Nami nje nguWandile ngiyazazi ukuthi yini ekumele ngiyenze ukuze ngiphumelele. Nawe watching this video, you know the things you should do in order to succeed, in order to reach whatever goal you have. A fat person wazi kahle ukuthi yini ekumele yenze ukuze lose weight. It's to eat less and move more. The information is out there. Even for onke ama-goals onawo, the information is out there. So yini eyenza ukuthi umuntu noma azi ukuthi kumele enzeni kodwa engayenzi leyo nto, even though eyibona ukuthi impilo yakhe is really falling apart or it's not where he or she wants it to be. So kule video mina ngizobe ngiphendula leyo mbuzo ngeyami experience ukuthi indaba mina Wandile ngingazenzi lezi zinto lezi, noma indaba yonke engizobe ngiyiphendula le ukuthi indaba ngingazenzi lezi zinto engazi kahle ukuthi kumele ngizenze ukuze ngiphumelele. As much as impilo yami ingekho la ngifuna ukuthi ibe khona, kodwa I have to say ukuthi angizizwa ngiyisahluleki kodwa ngiphumelele. You know, I'm in between, if you can say that. My life could be so much worse, but also it could be so much better. So as much as ngizazi izinto engimele ngizenze and ngiyazazi into engimele ngizenze, nobody wants to be a failure. Akekho umuntu ofuna ukube yisahluleki. So it's not like angifuni ukuphumelela. Bakhona abantu abashoyo ukuthi no, I'm fine with having a mediocre life, and kubona impumelelo leyo ukuba nempilo nje enormal. And I wish I was like that. I wish I didn't have that desire to be exceptional. Kodwa I've always had that desire to be exceptional. Kodwa it's just that I got stuck with that desire, but not the execution. There's many reasons why mina ngingazenzi lezi zinto lezi. Noma ke ngithi there's many reasons. It's gonna sound like excuses. Kodwa there's many reasons why lezi zinto engimele ngizenze ngingazenzi. Yabo, hayi ngoba mhlambe kukanjani, but I'm gonna state it here. Some of the reasons are not complicated. They are very simple, and it's truthful in a way that abantu abaningi abafuni ukuvuma. The first and I think the biggest reason why abantu bengaphumelele, or ake ngithi mina ngingaphumelele, is because ngiyivila. I am lazy. I am lazy to actually push myself, to stretch and try and get out of my comfort zone. I am very lazy. Yabo, mangathiwa ngishintsha leyo nto leyo, mhlambe ngabe sengiphumelele. If I tried harder, I would be successful. Kodwa, as much as I hate to admit it, I am lazy, especially when it comes to these things that I know I should do in order to succeed. Ngikhuthele kwezinye izinto njengoba ngisho ukuthi mina I wake up earlier than wonke umuntu le ekhaya, and angeke ngize ngithi ngilala ngagcina na wonke umunye umuntu, kodwa anginankinga with waking up and going for a run. Even before ngiqala ukugijima bengivuka ngiye ejimini. Kodwa lezo zinto lezo aziyilethi impumelelo. They will just give you good cardiovascular health and make you muscular. Ngani noma ngisho kahle nje. Izokwenza isigora kuphela. Ukuba isigora akuphumelelisi unless you can monetize it in a way. Kodwa another reason is that I always think I've got time, you know. It's a sense of procrastination. I always think that I've got time and I have no sense of urgency. I'll do it later, or ngisamncane. Zonke lezo izathu ziyafika kumina. Noma izinto engiyitshela zona when I see my life not moving in the direction I want it to move. It's like abantu do things only when they have to, when they absolutely have to do it. Umuntu oyisidudla only starts like looking at their health once their health is compromised. Umuntu odokotela esemtshela ukuthi yazi ukuthini wena ususalelwe isikhathi esingaka ukuthi uphile, uma uthi awuyishintshe indlela ophila ngayo uzogula ebese uyafa. Only then do people move towards their goals when they really have to. Nami mangathiwa hlampe I'm gonna go homeless, or noma hlampe ngiyamithisa or something like that, probably lokho kuzonginika leyo motivation ne-drive yokuthi azokuthini-ke, it's do or die now, let me just do it. So that's another reason ukuthi I think I've got time, because kade ngiyitshela ukuthi ngimncane kodwa iminyaka iyahamba. It's like njengoba ngenza lama video ngiyabona ukuthi okay, manje isiqala ukushuba-ke, manje siqala ukushuba, iminyaka yami isiqala ukusounda serious kakhulu. I'm not as young as I was many years ago, or let me say in the past. Iminyaka isithe ukuhamba manje. And another reason is that I'm comfortable with impilo yami. I've been comfortable with the life I was living. I haven't been poor. And angisho ukuthi lokho kuamandla ami. Ngibonga uNkulunkulu for lokho ukuthi I've lived fairly comfortably empilweni yami. I've never gone to bed hungry. Akaze kwangaba khona ukudla engakudla la ngisuke ngikhona, even though times do get tough, whether ile ekhaya noma ile emakhaya, kodwa nje angikaze ngalala ngingadlile. Impilo yami is fairly comfortable, and imisebenzi bengiyisebenza ibingiholela imali eright nje, mfethu bengikwazi ukwenza izinto ngiphile, even just ngiyiphilise nami ngiyijabulise. That's the word I'm looking for. Bengikwazi ukuthi ngiyijabulise, ngithenge izinto ezikwazi ukuthi zingididise, zingenze ngibe numb, yeah. So I think abanye abantu-ke abantu abaningi nabo bastucke lapho ukuthi impilo abayiphilayo is not so bad, yabo, kuyaphileka nje, even though they are not where they want to be, kodwa la bekhona it's not so bad. And kodwa into ebuhlungu-ke ukuthi even nabantu abahluphekayo, some people who have it worse than me are also comfortable. Yeah, but for the most part they are comfortable with where they are, even though ikhona leyo nto leyo, even though ikhona leyo nto kubona efunayo ukuthi iphokophelele okukhulu, kodwa the comfort is just there, and they numb themselves. They numb themselves with alcohol, drugs, with like spending money, ukuyikhipha, buying clothes, just to make themselves feel numb, ukuze beyicishe lento le ekhona ekhanda eshoyo ukuthi you are not where you want to be, because the voice is always there, kodwa ukwenza lezi zinto lezi kwenza ukuthi ube numb. Another reason, and this one is not as obvious as the others, ukuthi ungakholwa ukuthi wena you can actually do it. Khona ukuthi wazi ukuthi kumele wenzeni, kodwa because i-self-image yakho ne-identity yakho eyomuntu ohlulekayo, eyomuntu ongaphumeleli, onga-achieve ama-goals or ama-dreams akhe, you just stay the same because you don't think you can do it. Yabo, it's like you go around in circles ufike usho okay, I know I want to reach these goals, kodwa and then ingqondo yakhe yakubuza ukuthi yini wena osakwayenza, ebese uyashuta ngampela yikho, and then yabo, you go around in circles, uphindele empilweni yakho oyijwayele, and then kodwa libuye lelizwe lokuthi hayibo iyona impilo leyo oyidalelwe, bese uyasho futhi ukuthi because une-identity wena yomuntu onga-achieve lutho, nasesikoleni mhlawumbe ayikho into etheni osakayi-achieve, nabantu bakini abakaze be-achieve into ethile, or lamaphupho onawo akekho nomuntu osemphakathini wangakini osake wawafeza. So nawe igcina i-reinforceka leyo nto ukuthi ayikho into ongayi-achieve. That's another problem I have, because the dreams I have, khona isitshe esithi have dreams so big that you feel uncomfortable telling it to other people. The dreams I have ngisaba ngisho nokuwasho, because they sound ridiculous ungatshela umuntu mhlawumbe wale ekhaya noma umuntu wala engiphuma khona. And if I'm gonna be completely honest, kwamina, I sometimes don't think I can do it because it's like angikaze ngibona umuntu ebileyo nto. Mina emndenini wami akekho umuntu oyimillionaire. Bakhona ngasekhaya kodwa akekho umuntu oyilento le. Ngisaba ngisho nanokusho kule video ukuthi yini engifuna kube yiyona. Yabo. But that's another reason why I think this one is deep rooted and it takes work. That's another reason why ngingaphumeleli. It's like it takes hard work ukuthi uyishintshe i-identity yakho. Njengomuntu oyisidudla nje. Ngiyaxolisa sivelele uyidudla kule video kodwa njengomuntu oyisidudla, umuntu oyisidudla mawuyitshelile ukuthi uyisidudla wena. Yabo, uzoba kanjani lento? Isidudla siyisidudla ngoba hayi ngoba seyisidudla kuphela emzimbeni, siyisidudla naso engqondweni yaso. Yena uyibona njengesidudla. So ingakho umuntu uzofike mhlambe ejime inyanga ebese kuphela inyanga ebona ukuthi weight uyayiluza kodwa because i-identity yakhe ayikakabe umuntu healthy okwazi ukuthi eyilawule, okwazi ukuyibamba, okwazi ukuthi edle healthy. Eventually this person will gravitate back to fast food, will gravitate back to being lazy and not working out because wonke umuntu gravitates back to who they are. Wonke umuntu uphindela kulento akayitshela ukuthi iyona noma ngathiwe ngazama isikhathi eside kangakanani ukuthi ezenzise njengomunye umuntu kodwa I think ushintsho kumele lenzeke deep kuyena umuntu. Angazi noma I'm making sense. Another reason is that ngiyasaba ukuthi ngizohlekwa mawukuthi ngiyazama bese ngiyahluleka because most of the time amaphupho ethu kumele hayi kumele mina wami amaphupho I feel like ayangidinga ukuthi ngibe phambi kwabantu ngizame izinto ngifeyile phambi kwabantu ngibhede, start off bad and small in front of people and improve in front of people. So ngiyasaba ukuthi ngizohlekwa uma ngizama lezi zinto ebese ngiyahluleka because if I'm gonna be honest, nami ikhona, there is a part of me that laughs and judges other people who try to do things or start businesses and fail. And khona into kumina esuke ifuna ukuthi labantu laba befeyile ngempela because ukusucceeda kwabo kungenza ukuthi mina ngiyibuke and ngiyijudge, ngibone iqiniso lokuthi ngiyivile and I'm a pussy and uma ekwazile ukwenza lo muntu mina ngihlulwa yini. So it's like ukubona omunye umuntu enza into ekumele ngabe mina noma ade ngine idea ukuthi ngiyenze noma ubona umuntu elandela amaphupho akhe relentlessly kuyangi-expose, kwenza ngiyibheke mina. It's like kuyangiphuca ama excuse. So another reason which is a big one ikona ukuthi ngiyasaba ukuthi ngizohlekwa noma ngithi bengisaba ukuthi ngizohlekwa. The older you get, the less you feel this way. Kodwa I think it's another big reason why abantu behlale nje and stay mediocre bengayenzi lento abazazi kahle ukuthi kumele bezenze lezi zinto. I don't know if I'm making sense. I know I am. Another reason ungazazi ukuthi ubani, losing yourself trying to please people. So abantu abazazi ukuthi bawubani, abantu bayitshela ukuthi bayilabantu abanye abantu abacabanga ukuthi bayibona. Ake ngithi mina so kunale analogy engiyithandayo ukuthi ukuze ngizizwe mina ngi-successful kumele abanye abantu ngenze sure ukuthi nabo bangibona ngi-successful. Only then am I successful. Uma abanye abantu bengangiboni ukuthi ngi-successful mina should angikho successful. So abantu they base i-idea yabo ye-success or yempumelelo according to what abanye abantu bazothini. Like they always look for i-approval yabantu. Uma ngithi abantu ngikhuluma ngami ukuthi I've always ngathini i-reference bekuhlezi kuyiyona ukuthi okay bazothini abantu uma ngenza lento le, will they think I'm successful? So yonke into ebengiyenza ebinaleyo filter leyo ukuthi okay mangenza lento le izobenza becabangeni abantu, will I look like a failure to them or will I look like a success? Ebese yonke into ngiyenza from that starting point, which is very faulty because you are not what people think you are. You are what you are. You are not who other people think or say that you are. Uwena nje awudingi omunye umuntu ukuze ekutshele ukuthi ubani. Njengokuthi isigora asidingi ukuthi sihambe sitshela abantu ukuthi siyisigora. Isigora sangampela siyazazi ukuthi siyisigora. Asidingi ukuthi sihambe sitshela abantu or siveza amamasela lana. Uma sizazi sona ukuthi siyisigora asidingi ukuthi. So ileyo nto okufuna ukuthi ngijabulise abanye abantu or ngi-acceptwe yibona. I lose myself trying to appease people. So those are just a few reasons why. Kodwa the reasons, the list is longer than this. So what is the solution? It's simple. I think ungayicomplicate izinto la. Even though phela it's easy. It's not, it's simple, but it's not easy. A solution is simple ukuthi to do the things you know that you should do. It's just do the opposite of what you've been doing. Because na i-listing nayo ukuthi ngiyeke ukwenza lezi zinto lezi engazi kahle ukuthi hayi azingiphumelelisi. Ngiyeke ukucabanga ngale ndlela, ngizama ukuthi ngilungise la engimele ngilungise khona. La kushoda khona ngizama ukuthi ngigcwalise and actually work on my mind. That's the solution. And I've realized ukuthi even taking small steps towards that goal, it makes life worth living. It makes you feel fulfilled. Ukuthi, yeah, this is what I was born for. Even though you are like a year or 2 years away from your goal, but taking those small steps, I've realized ukuthi, it feels really good. That feeling is underrated. So okwamanje ngithi thank you for watching. See you on the next one.